Hi, I'm Yam Concepcion, and I'm here to teach you how to be a Kontrabida. The first one is the plastic stare. The second one is the eyebrow raise stare. The third one is mula ulo hanggang paa stare. A good Kontrabida can look you in the eye and can judge you from head to foot. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. The secret to slapping is just going with the motion, or put a blush on and you'll never get hurt. You're nothing but a second-rate, trying hard copycat. You think you're good enough? Think again. Ikaw, kaya ka iniwan ng asawa mo. Dahil ikaw, dibdib lang ang meron ka. Pero ako, mula ulo hanggang paa, panlaban na. A good Kontrabida knows how to piss you off. And that's how you become a Kontrabida.